Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Infamous Builds. It's been a hot minute since I've been on the channel. Daniel's been doing some solo stuff lately, some of his the ZR1, the CTSV, the Z06. I've still been around, we're still close, we're still good friends and whatnot, just life's been really busy for both of us, and we just happen to have a good time to come together and make a new video for you guys. And today we're showing you guys a car you probably haven't seen in a while, and you're probably wondering where it's been, what's been going on with it. And so I guess without further ado, let's see what we... You want to start them off here, buddy?
Sure. So, yeah, it's been a long time since you guys have seen this car, and it was in much different shape. I know we probably talked about it, mentioned it here and there in videos of what condition it was in and stuff like that, and or what it was going through. And I know if you've been following for a while, we don't have that many followers yet, but you'll
to the
know,
OGs of the channel.
Yeah, to the OGs of the channel, you'll probably know what was going on with the car. It's been this way, we'll show it in a second, for quite some time, well, months now. Jonah went to pick it up with me this summer, and it's full now, obviously. So, but yeah, it's just...
It's breathtaking now.
Yeah, it was... We were both tearing up walking in and seeing this car, and I guess without
further ado,
yeah.
You guys ready for this? Oh yeah. Look at that paint. And the crispy new headlights.
Crispy new headlights, crispy new bumper, it's painted.
Man, the bumper looking fresh on there.
Lip on there. You probably saw when the fog lights are crusty. You've got the brand new S2 marker lights on it. Got the Ganador mirrors finally on it.
Oh yeah, nice and paint match too.
Yeah, door handles. Got brand new seals all the way out. It was a glass out paint job, so all the glass was off the car, all the seals were out of the car, so everything in the corners. So the molding's new all around all of the glass and the door seals.
The holes are gone.
Yep, holes are gone. It was done right. There are a couple things that I didn't do 100% how they should have been done, but they were fixed by the paint shop. Big shout out to my buddy. But
where at? Link him. Get him some business.
Yeah, I'll put their business link there in Addison, Illinois, if I remember correctly. They do great work. Very, very affordable too. I got quoted, oh god, I don't even know. I think I got quoted like 10-12 grand on this by a couple shops to get it painted, have paint and body work done to it. It was ridiculous. With a brand new, the hood had one ding in it. The fenders were brand new. Front bumper was brand new. There wasn't much that, all the body work was in the rear end of the car, but
yeah, I'm sure you guys remember. Oh, well, I'll show a picture. We'll put out a picture of the car was when we first got it.
Yeah.
There's the original fender right there.
Yeah, the original quarter panel.
Yeah, look at that. Can't even tell this was put in.
Yeah, it's
look at that reflection though. You can see.
Yeah, and this is before an actual wet sand and buff too. Like the car's been, they did a quick wet sand and buff just so it would look a little bit better, but we
still got some stuff.
Yeah, it's dusty as hell from. Yeah, it's dusty.
It's been sitting for a while.
Yeah, it's been sitting for months. It's been sitting inside. Obviously, it'll never sit outside, but. Yeah, it was a process and it was a long wait, but it was totally worth it. And yeah, I guess just we'll give you guys a walk around of the car, just show you all around it. It's just as beautiful at every corner.
The video definitely does not do this color justice. It just absolutely pops with the light. It's all little metallics in there.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys seen. Obviously, I think the last thing you guys saw was the engine was in, but it really wasn't all two together.
Yeah, we'll go in on we'll make another quick video of what's going on under the hood or what's left to do, stuff like that. Maybe we'll make 2 videos out of it, depending how much we want to draw it out. But yeah, we can go into the mechanical side of everything in another video. But yeah, the last time you saw it was when we were, I think, showing that the engine was in it, trans was in it. Brakes. I don't even know what the last thing.
I think the brakes were at least on one side.
And the big garage update. Is the latest exhaust setup on your car? Was that in a video yet?
No, I don't think I've put my newest exhaust on a video
so
yet. But
the last, yeah, it was.
that was when we did. Was it the headers? We did the headers and the brake booster brace.
Yes. Yeah. So Joel.
Then we came over here and I think we did a quick video.
Yep.
With this.
Yeah, that was the last time we ever showed this car, and it's still here. I'm not selling it. My dumbass debates selling it a lot, but I don't.
I don't let him. I will never let him.
There's probably 30 or 40 people, and Jonah's obviously the most influential person that doesn't want me to sell this car for many reasons, but yeah, so it's still here. She's just sitting, waiting on me to finish it, and yeah, it'll probably end up getting sent off soon though, because it's not a money thing anymore, it's a time thing. I moved north, and it's just been hard to do anything with the car, so parts trickling in here and there, building up to finishing the car. We'll go more into what I've got for the car in the next video, or what I've done, obviously. So, but yeah, she's absolutely gorgeous now. No.
Oh yeah.
Primer, shitty welds, stuff like that. It's how it should be. It's a lot more motivating too, to do stuff to it. Now
oh yeah, that was the first when we picked up this car. I'll put in some pictures of when we actually went to pick up the car.
Yeah.
But when we saw the car, that was a huge, like, pretty much smack in the face. Like, we got to get this done now.
Yeah.
That was the big push we needed.
Yeah. Maybe we'll add a link. Maybe we'll just throw the link in the in the description of this video of when we first got the car, what it looked like, and stuff like that.
Yeah. I'll throw in some tags and some pictures.
Yeah, we'll throw in pictures in the video, but we'll throw the link so you guys can watch the video of when we first got the car, and
it'll go a little bit more in depth of what's on the car, like the specifications of it. And we don't want to go over that all again because we've said it all in the past.
Yep. But yeah, I guess it was just I don't know how long the video is at this point. But it's just a quick little video showing that the car still is here. It's in a lot better condition than the last time you guys saw it. It's not going anywhere. It will be going somewhere when it goes to get finished.
It's not being sold. Not anytime soon.
Yeah, it's not being sold, and I'm not hurting or anything like that. It's not that we haven't been showing it because of financial issues. It's 100% time issues.
Yeah, we are both full-time jobs every single day.
Yep, it's a lot harder to make videos in the summer and a lot harder to work on this stuff than in the past, but it is what it is, and we're making do with it. So hopefully we'll have some more content coming. We'll obviously have another video of this as we wrap up this video. We'll have another video of this coming out soon after.
A few days after, probably.
Yeah, a few days after, just to spread out content a little bit more.
We will have a ZR1 update very soon. Some very, very big things happening to that right now as we speak.
Yep. Yeah, the car is. Yeah, I won't get into that.
We'll have a video for that when it's all said and done, explaining everything.
Yep. Yeah. I put in the last ZR1 video what was sort of happening with it, but we've got more specifics to it. But we'll go into that when the car comes back. So, but yeah, thanks again for watching, guys. I know it was a quick little video and wasn't super specific, but who doesn't like looking at a nice painted Supra? So
we can both just stand here all day and admire this.
Yeah, we'll have quite a few cinematic shots when this thing's actually done, and we'll put some actual time into trying to edit it and make rollers and stuff like that when this thing's done. And but thanks again for watching, guys, and that's what the Supra's doing right now. And make sure to share it if you like it, and anything you feel like. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great one. We'll see you next time.
Peace.